Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to introduce myself or my personal life. My name is Alejandro Franco. I am a police officer since 13 years ago. I'm a traffic police where I live in San Vicente del Caguán. It is located in Caquitas department. Nevertheless, I am from Bogota, so I'm living here because my job. I like watch science fiction movies, swim in the river, jogging. On the weekends I like go to the river with my family and prepare typical delicious Colombian food like sancocho with rice, I am kind, patient, friendly, gentle. I get along with my coworkers in my job. I don't have wish to disappoint with my work. There are my family. My mother is Melida Noreña Osorio. She lives in Bogota. She is 56 years old and he's a housemaker. And her free time, she likes travel a lot, usually near Bogota, like Mesa Cundinamarca or somewhere like that. My father is Marco Angel Franco. She lives in Puerto Gaitán. It is located in Metats department. He is 59 years old. He's a pit peddler. He likes to read a lot, talking with his friends. Finally, she is my sister. She's Carolina. She is 26, and he's an accountant. And her free time, she likes to watch movies. Actually, she watches Netflix with her family and daughter. She's my wife. She's Ingrid Mantilla Bernal. She's from Bucaramanga. She is 30 years old. She likes travel a lot, also watch movies like me. She is a beautiful teacher in primary school. Vacations. My last vacation I was in Piscilago. It is a huge park close to Melgar, where there are a lot of swimming pools, places to walk and eating, and take nice pictures. Also there is a zoo and so forth. I travel with my wife. We have to ride on the bus from Melgar from Florencia to Melgar. Next we went down in front of the park where there were people who sold glasses and bonnets to cover the head. Later we rode in the train. In fact, it wasn't a train, it was a car with trailer where we took pictures. After that we went to the zoo, and finally we spent time swimming in the pool. That day was awesome. And my future plans, maybe I will be teaching as professor in some school by inside my institution. That is my dream, to be a teacher and police officer as well. I'm sure the next 5 years with my wife, we are going to travel to Europe, because that's my wife's dream. For me, in 3 years, I am going to buy a house and probably later a cottage or a farm. In 10 to 20 years, I am not going to plan anything because I live today. But I think I will enjoy with my retirement pay. That's it, so thank you so much.